Hey, this is Andrew Purdom, and today in this video I'm going to show you a fairly simple strategy that you can use to build a business that does about $100 a day with email marketing. Now, it's important to note that you're going to use more than email marketing in this, but the crux of your money, the majority of what you're going to make, would actually come through emails. And this is a system that I'm using right now in order to bring more business into my company, and you can implement it for exactly with what you're doing. Now, this particular model, it utilizes affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing, if you haven't heard of it, it's promoting other people's products. And so with this, there are three essential parts of this system. We've got our advertisement, we've got our landing page, and we've got our email sequence. And I'm going to show you a bit behind the scenes of each one of them. So I want to give you a brief overview of what it looks like before we go more in depth. So for this particular system, I am promoting Rachel S. Lee's cheat sheet, 7 top affiliate marketing offers, I believe is what it is. Let me double check it here. And this offer is by far the highest converting offer I've got. It's right up there with Alex Becker's Hero Sales Academy. And what happens is we use what's called a bridge page, all right? And when we run an advertisement to a page like this, we get someone's contact information. So I'll just put my email address there, and then we get immediately sent to the affiliate link for her funnel. Now, this is a proven funnel, and it's proven to make money, so I know that if I've got the right traffic and I put the right ad in front of them, I'm going to make sales with it. And then as they go through this funnel here, they're going to eventually go on to buy the specific products that she's got. So I think this is her offer survival kit, if I remember, and it's only $7, but there's an upsell on the back end for $97. It's an email survival kit, and then she eventually sells, I think it's her $1,000 course. And then the way that we make money is, let's say that we send 100 people to that particular offer, her 7 offers cheat sheet. Well, out of that, 10 might buy the $7 sale, $7 video training, that's what that is, and 3 might buy the $97 training, and then 1 might buy the $997 training. Now, with her plans, I believe Rachel offers a 30% commission on anything that she sells. So if 10 buy the $7 video, that's going to be $70. And if 3 buy the 97, I don't trust myself with math. I really don't. I always want to be safe. That's going to be $291. I knew it was somewhere in that ballpark. And then if one person buys in $997, that's... Now, we add that all up, okay? And 70 plus 291 plus 997. All right, and then we get 30% of that times 0.3. So we would make about, on average, $400. From these stats. So you can see here that even with a 30% commission, you're still making a very viable amount of money from one advertisement. Now, with her, that seems to be about average. She's got a very high percentage that will close on her various products because she's been doing this for a long time and she knows what's up. So our goal then is to push as many people as possible to the front end of her funnel, which is this landing page. And the best way that I found to do it is through a reputable solo ad vendor. And then that solo ad vendor would push people to our landing page here, which gets them on our email marketing list. And then that email marketing list is going to keep pushing people to this because not everyone who signs up here is going to eventually take action here and then later on in the sales pages. So I can tell you who I use. I use Catlin Bettridge and Marcus Svedin. And I actually did an interview with Marcus Svedin, so if you want to go in the comments to go watch that interview with him about how you can create highly effective solo ads that convert, you'll get a lot better success. But I use him and Catlin for my traffic, and I send that traffic to this landing page. Now, in the ad copy, I'm going to say something very simple like, she did what? That could be a headline. I like to use shock in all headlines. Those work really well when you're doing solo ads, and I'm going to say something along the lines of, and I put like the shock emoji. And the goal here is you're trying to get people to pay attention to what you have. So they're going to read a headline like, she did what? And go, wait, what did she do? And they're going to want to know. And then you're just going to have this conversation with them, very brief. When you're doing solo ads, you want to keep it short. Say, look, I can't believe Rachel did this. Well, what did she do? They want to know. But she put out her best affiliate offers out there for free, the exact ones that made her a millionaire, and she's giving them away. And we put a shock emoji, and then we say something like, you can get here, and then make that linked to your individual landing page. And then you can put more information if you want, but I like to keep it fairly short and simple. I found that short and simple works a lot better when you're creating solo ads. So what's going to happen is you're going to promote them with someone like Marcus Svedin, who spent years building up his high quality list, and these people are going to be interested to get that free cheat sheet, and then all you're going to do is you're going to let Rachel do the selling. So now for the email marketing portion of this, I have a full sequence here. You don't need as much as I have. And I've had a lot of people go through this. I think 400 people so far went through this. I'd have to go back and look. But they all went into the affiliate general list now. But I give them a good welcome. I'm actually going to show you these emails because I want you to see how to do it. But you're going to say an introduction. The first email you send, you want to introduce yourself and thank them for the offer. Tell them where they can go get it if they didn't sign up yet. And that link right there, it doesn't send them to my page, it sends them to hers. They've already signed up with me. The only purpose that this page right here has is to get people to subscribe to the email list. That way I can follow up with them, I can send them other offers, and I can make more money from it. So I then give them a reason to pay attention to myself. I tell them who I am, what I've done. I give them crazy results. I show them my client testimonials and case studies. I want them to trust me. I get results, and I want them to know specifically what. And then I tell them what they can expect. I say, look, you're going to get more training for free every single day or every other day. And hey, by the way, here's a free training. And in the meantime, while you're waiting for more, go get your 7 offers cheat sheet from Rachel. So I give them an incentive to act. And then I throw in a value video. I record a lot of videos kind of like this where I show people behind the scenes and how to run different kind of campaigns and do different stuff in marketing. And then this is the next promotional email here. I basically go after a specific result or problem they have, and I say, what would life be like without that, or if you get that goal? And then I tell them that if they get that specific offer, in this case the cheat sheet, they're going to do a lot better. They're going to get that result. They're going to stay away from that problem that they're having. And I also wanted to promote the second part of her offer, which is the email survival kit. So that's all the emails that she'll use to help you promote content. And then I keep doing that, and I say, look, in different emails, hey, why haven't you done this? There's no reason. I make it logical for them to say, look, if you really want to build a good business, like you've talked to me about doing by signing up. Oh, this isn't showing here. But in essence, I say, look, you need to go sign up for it now. And you also need to pick up the email survival kit, because the email survival kit is going to help train you on how to create this kind of good content that you need to consistently grow. So as you can see here, this is a very simple system, but it works incredibly well. Like if I were to find other good affiliate programs, I can promote them too, or I can even make my own products like I've done with my email marketing masterclass that I throw in the mix here, and I sell that using this email sequence. And even though I may have gotten people in on Rachel's cheat sheet, doesn't mean I can't promote them on other things. Like here in this list, I promote Alex Becker's Hero Academy. I promote Messenger bots for entrepreneurs. And then depending on how I have it structured, every list is a bit different. I send them to a master list called Affiliate General. Probably should have done this from the get-go. It's going to be easier. But in Affiliate General, I've got a lot more that I'm promoting in there. Like I promote Udemy, which is a traffic source that you could utilize to get solo ads. I promote Spencer Meckham's affiliate marketing program. It teaches you the basics of how to go about affiliate marketing. If you're interested in that, I could put a link down below. But this is how you can, with not too much difficulty, get to about $100 a day, and then $200 and then $300 eventually. As you scale it up, you find what works for you. So all it comes down to at the end of the day is finding a really good offer. The offer is the most critical part of all of this. If you know you have a converting offer and you know where to get good traffic, like from someone like Marcus Fidin or Catlin Bettridge or a good provider on Udemy, then you can just run an ad like this to a landing page like this, and then promote affiliate offers. And it's a very simple way to go about building your business. So here's what we'll do. If you want to implement a system like this, I'll give you this system for free. I'm going to give you this landing page, and then you can even promote Rachel S. Lee's cheat sheet yourself. You can do what I've done and go through her system and make money promoting her. I can tell you that between her and Alex Becker, they're the two people who products I know convert because I've actually gotten checks from them. So go ahead below this video. If you really like what we have, subscribe and leave a thumbs up, and then leave a comment about what specifically you want to learn more, because I want to help you guys build better businesses online through Facebook ads, solo ads, email marketing, video marketing, and search engine optimization. This is Andrew Purdom, and I will talk to you later. Take care.